Yo, what's up, boys? Welcome to today's market recap. I said market recap because I didn't end up taking any trades. I know you can see like this setup and this fucking setup, but I didn't enter any of them. You know why? Because of fucking school, bro. I fucking hate this motherfucking bullshit ass fucking school, bro. Anyways, bro, I'm going to break it down to you on um actually this trade was in I could have entered this trade, but this that was against my rules. So hold on, what the fuck is this? I could have entered this trade, but that was against my rules. So uh, and I'm not going to fucking cap anything because I know goddamn what I'm talking about. Hold on, I took screenshots. So this was the GBP USD trade. Hold on. I was aiming for no this was GBP. Hold on. This so oh yeah, it was. Hold on. So I was aiming for price to hit this drawn liquidity and then make this was 8 a.m. before the London session opens. I was aiming for price to retrace from this BPR and go down, and that what happened. And after that, after the London session opens at so this was at 12 p.m. or a.m. or at 12 midday. So price did end up to take out previous daily lows and took out Asian session lows, and after that price made a market structure shift. Then it created a fair value gap and a breaker, and it retraced into the breaker, and after that it retraced into the fair value gap. Hold on, this was the retracement into the fair value gap. Then I waited for a break of structure. I was aiming for Asian session highs, and my stops were below this fair value gap, and boom, literally I was aiming for also the this drawn liquidity, this strong draw liquidity was the equal highs. I did not enter this trade because I've said in the last videos that I will never ever enter trade again between 12 and 2 p.m. and this setup appears only at 12 a.m. At 12. So I stick it to my rules. Actually, this was not something bad, because if I entered this trade and it goes in my against me and goes into my into stop loss, I would have regretted entering that. So um, me not entering this trade was following my plans. Actually, I'm not regretting not entering it because I know it was a market making buy side model, but and I know it was a 8 plus setup, and the only thing is wrong is that this trade, first of all, I didn't like the amount of pips. So this was 8, approximately 8 pips stop loss. With a snap of the fingers to a movement down, that could have get me out of the trade. And my TP was 22 pips. That's so low. That's usually my stop loss pips. So I didn't like that, and yeah, that's it. It was a very good setup, 8 plus setup with an SMT liquidity sweep, taking out the previous session lows, market structure shift, fair value gap, retracement to fair value gap and breaker block, market bought the after that break of structure and retracement into 1 minute fair value gap, and then yeah, and targeting these Asian session highs and this draw liquidity. That was my dream setup. That's like free money for me, but I didn't enter, like as I said, because I wanted to follow my trading rules, and I didn't want to I didn't want to break my rules. I set my rules and that's it. I've even talked it to you, bro, guys. So and after that, the crazy thing that I was interested. So this was I'm not interested in this because it was in against my rules. But on GBP GPY, I was interested in this trade. You're going to say how? Well, we have we still have this London session lows and these Asian session lows didn't got taken out, and we have this Asian session highs didn't got taken out. So I'm going to show you another uh, screenshot. So hold on. So this was GBP GPY at 1240. I was interested. So this was the London session lows and those Asian session lows, and those are the Asian session highs. I was aiming for price to take out these Asian session highs and then make a breakout structure retest and then go down to take out these London session lows and these Asian session lows. So what the price did do, it literally gave me a great money maker sell model, and I couldn't enter this trade. Why? Because this was at New York session opens at 12, and at 12 I'm like in school. Fuck this school shit. Fuck this fucking slavery, bro. This fucking ass slavery. Hold on, I'm going to break it down to you how I did got this trade. Hold on. So oh no, hold on. I was wrong. Sorry. Uh, so these were the Asian session highs, and these was the London session lows and the Asian session lows. So we came up, we took out these Asian session highs, we made the bearish SMT with USD GPY. We made the bearish SMT. After that, we invalidate this bullish fair value gap and we made a market structure shift. I'm going to show you because you're not going to know how the fuck that is. We invalidate this fair value gap, so we have an inverse fair value gap. After that, we had this as a bearish SMT with USD GPY, and then we made this market structure shift and we broke structure into that, and then I drew the Fibonacci extension and we broke below the 79% mark. So with that, I know that bullish order flow is disrespected, and and price is going to maintain bearish order flow. So with that, I scaled down to the 5-minute time frame. I scale it down to the 5-minute time frame. This was the fair value gap that price restricted into it to make the breakout structure, and then after making the market structure shift and respecting the bearish order flow, we made the bearish breaker block and the inverse fair value gap from the 15 minutes. So we retraced into that. We retraced into equilibrium also. We retraced into equilibrium. Hold on. Oh no. This was the high. This was the low. So we retraced into equilibrium. Bro, get the fuck out of here, bro. We retraced into equilibrium. We retraced into the inverse fair value gap and the bearish breaker block. That's more than enough. I scaled down to the 1-minute time frame, and once we invalidate this bullish 5-minute fair value gap and we closed below the 5-minute fair value gap. Hold on, I'm going to show you. This was the 5-minute fair value gap. We closed below it. This was the candle that closed below it, and this was the candle that closed below it. So with that, also we did this breakout structure. I was aiming for invalidation of 5-minute bullish fair value gap to even give me enough confidence in maintaining bearish order flow. So with that, this should have been my entry at 343, but I was not able to fucking enter this trade. This is so fucking annoying, bro. You don't fucking know how this fucking annoying. So I missed on a 1 to 4 risk to reward, and hold on, what the fuck is this? Where where the fuck it is? And a one and pretty much 1 to 3 risk to reward. So hey guys, this trading shit is very good, and yeah, bro, fuck this shit. Well, fuck this shit. And also the the other annoying fucking shit is crypto is literally down. Fucking Bitcoin is at 87%, bro. 87,000, bro. It literally, bro. It literally down 10% overnight, bro. 10%. Damn, this Drake ass candle, bro. But we are not totally fucked because we still have this psychological level of support. Bro, fuck that shit. Trump, I'm going to fucking slam that fucking Trump, bro. I bet on my mama's life that he said the word tariffs again. I'm going to fucking beat the shit out of him. I'm going to show you the news of today. We didn't have just important news and high impact news. We only had this consumer confidence and manufacturing index, but the that was not important. So this was actually a solid day, but unfortunately for me, that was not. So I hope you guys enjoyed and benefit from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next trade recap and the next video. Peace out.